Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create an animated product promo video using Canva, step by step. Let's start by opening Canva and selecting a video project. Choose any size that suits your platform. I'll go with landscape for this one. Next, head over to Elements, type in Gradient, switch to the Photos tab, and choose a background you like. Set it as your canvas background. You can tweak the colors if needed to match your theme. Then pick a second gradient background, rotate it, move it to the right, and let just a small part peek into the frame. Now bring in your product image. You can upload it from your device or use Canva's stock images. Resize it and place it on the left side, just enough so a bit of it remains visible on screen. Duplicate the page, move the product image to the center, and drag your second gradient background across, so it covers half the product. Time to animate. Go to Transitions, select Match and Move, and set the duration to around 1 second, or more if you want a slower effect. Let's add some text. Choose a bold font. I'm using Anton, then pick your color and add a shadow effect. Duplicate the text, move it to the other side, and this time, apply an outline effect. Animate your text using baseline, left to right works well here. Or use any other style you like. Click the text, open timing, and choose both. This adds an entrance and exit animation. Also, reverse the exit for a smooth finish. Now duplicate the page again, remove the text, resize the image, and slide it to the left. Add a new page, go to Elements, and search for Discount tag. Pick one that fits. I'll use a 50% off badge. Change its color to red, resize it, and position it where it feels right. Don't forget to animate these new pages as well. Again, use Match and Move, set the duration to 1 second or more, and apply to all pages. Keep checking your animation timing as you go. Preview often to stay on track. Duplicate the page again, resize the discount tag, and move it to the top right. Adjust your product image, and place it on the left. Then search for Circle Grunge Stamp in the Elements tab. Go to Graphics, and pick a style that complements your layout. Place the stamp behind the product image, and animate it using baseline, or any animation that adds motion without distraction. Next, let's add more text. Use Glacial Indifference as the font, change the main text color to white, and highlight the word Offer in yellow. Add a shadow effect and animate the text just like before. Add the transition, yes again. Match and move for at least 1 second. Adjust the text timing so everything flows together seamlessly. Duplicate the page. Resize both the product and text, and slide the image to the right. Resize your circular element, and move it to the center. Then upload or drag in a new product photo. Animate it to bring everything to life. Once more, add Match and Move and apply it across all slides. Now duplicate that page again, but this time, remove the image. Add a closing message or final call to action text. You can drag a previously used image from your uploads and paste it here. Then animate everything just like the other slides. Make sure to preview your animation from start to finish. Fine-tune your timing, transitions, and motion effects so your promo looks polished and professional. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it helped you, please like, subscribe, share, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to hit the bell notification bell, so you never miss a new Canva hack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.